Imagine the panic that ensues when an intruder is detected at a high-security area. Loud alarms go off, security personnel take positions, higher officers are woken up from their sleep, chaos grips the entire area. But then it turns out that the intruder was only a raccoon. Our client, a provider of video security solutions, wanted to avoid such embarrassing situations by building a more accurate and efficient intruder detection solution. And for this, they needed our assistance. The client had existing software for monitoring high-security regions and spotting sophisticated intruders. However, the system needed to work in a low-light environment with unusual sources of visual noise such as wild animals, and also reduced the false alarm rate dramatically. So we implemented a two-stage AI solution. A lightweight motion detector was deployed on the edge cameras, and a precise human intruder detector was implemented on the server, using GPU instances on Amazon Web Services. We utilized a state-of-the-art object detection and tracking algorithm that was trained on a large dataset annotated by our data team. The server filtered out non-human motion and significantly reduced the number of frames sent to human observers. Our scalable solution now handles thousands of camera feeds for our client simultaneously. Hakuna Matata, indeed. Glad we could help.